ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। 161. Let us do quickly as much as possible. धावन्त्याः गोः पुच्छं पश्य. Just a translation only, but we are doing extra. Extra is converting into karmani. It's good anyway, language practice it is. No, what is the meaning?
See the running. No.
Look at the tail of the running cows.
Dhavantyah goho pucham. What is goho?
Goho.
Sixth case of Go Shabda.
Go Shabda. Go Shabda can be Pullinga or Strilinga. If it is Pullinga, then it is referring to Vrishabha. If it is Strilinga, then it is referring to cow. And we have another word, of course, Rishabha, bull also is there. But the declaration is same. Gau gavo gavaha gam gavo gaha gava gobyam gobihi gave gobyam gobyaha gogo gobyam gobyaha gogo gavogo gavam gavi gavogo goshu. Form is same. Okaranta Shabda only. So goho is what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti. Gogo pucham sambandha shashti it is called. Pashya, see. Kidrishaha कीदृशः गौः, if it is Pullinga, or कीदृशी गौः, whatever it is. What type of that? Dhavantyah.
Davanti Shashti.
Yeah, Dhavanti, Davantyo, Dhavantyah. So Dhavantyah, I'm doing Karmani. Goho. Pucham is what linga? Pucham is Napumsakalinga. Pucham. Brahma Pucham Pratishta. Huh? What's that? Pucham is tail. So Pucham is Pucham Puche Puchani, we can say.
Napunsaka.
Napumsakalinga. Can you hear me? My voice clear?
Yes, Guruji, we can hear.
Puchaha also is there. So both are there, I think. But Puchaha is both, in both linga is there. Anyway, we can take it Napumsakalinga, no problem. Or Puchaha also is fine, but whatever it is. So if we take Puchaha, then Drishyata, Lot Lakara, right? Karmani. I'm just taking Karmani. Karmani we are doing, that is not the exercise here. Just understanding the sentence and translating. But Karmani also is good. Next one. Nityantyaha mayuryaha pada vinyasam pashya. Pada vinyasam. What is pada vinyasam?
Movement of legs.
Movement of legs. Yes. How it pada vinyasam. Vinyasanam karoti. So this also nrityanti, nrityanto, nrityantyaha. And what is the pratipadika? Mayuryaha.
Mayuri.
Mayuri. Strilinga. So pada vinyasam, mayuryaha pada vinyasam, same thing, drishyata. Lottakara, right? Drishyata. Pada vinyasaha, you can say. The pullinga. Possible. Why not? Pada vinyasam, pada vinyasaha. It is a samasa, kind word. Then patantinam shilanam vegaha mahan. What is the meaning? Kriya padam you have to supply. Asti.
Speed
Falling.
of the falling
Rock
stones.
has a great speed.
Patantinam
Falling at
shilanam vegaha. Then what do you make it into? Karmani.
Vegena mahan puyate.
Bhagata vegena bhuyate. Just
Mm.
Bhagata vegena bhuyate. The falling stone, the speed of the falling stone is mahan, is high, huge, big, high only. Then jalpantinam karmakarinam darshanena swami kupitaha bhavati. Bhavati you have to supply. Astiya bhavati. Jalpantinam is, what is jalpanti?
Gossiping workers.
Rattling.
Gossip.
Just chatting. Karmakari.
Workers.
Srilinga. Karmakari, karmakaryo, karmakarya. Darshanena. Then Swami, Swamin Shabda. Swami, Swamino, Swaminaha. Then becomes Swamina Kupitam. Kupitam. Swamina Kupitam. Okay, Swamina Kupitam. Okay. Akasmat apatantinam apadam nivaranam katam. Just a prashna. Suddenly some misfortune happens. Apatantinam apadam, adversity. Apadam, what is the pratipadikam? Apad. Dakaranta Shabda. Apad is Dakaranta Shabda. You can Strilinga, you can decline that. Okay. Apadam Shashti. Nivaranam Katham Bhavati. Iti. That is supply. Akasmat, suddenly. Apatantinam apadam nivaranam. Nivaranam. Katham bhuyate. You can make it. Okay. Katham is Katham only. There is no ambiguities. Nivaranam. Okay. Simple. All these sentences are. Bhagantyam kulyayam malinata nasti.
Is it Nivaranam or is it Nivaranena?
No, Nivarana will come. Nivarana is Saptami. Saptami will change. No. Nivaranam only. Will not change. If it is Nivaranam Katam Bhavati, 1 or Nivaranena Katam Bhuyate. Sorry, let me make it. Nivaranam Katam Bhavati, Nivaranam 1. Now we need to come Nivaranena Katam Bhuyate. Sorry, that has to happen. Not Nivaranena. Tritiya. Bhagantyam kulyayam malinata nasti. Meaning, what is kulyayam?
Lake.
Waters. Flowing waters have
What is the
no.
pratipadikam?
Kulya.
Kulya means canal. Okay. Bhagantyam kulyayam malinata.
Nasti.
Malinata become malinataya bhuyate. Right? Just making it Karmani. Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Some internet problem is unstable comes. Samyak patantishu etasu ka pratamam prapniyat. What is the meaning? Hmm?
Of the females who read well, who will get the first?
So what saptami
Yes.
is that?
Nir
Nirdhana
Nirdarana.
Saptami.
Yes. Yes, very good. Patantishu etasu ka pratamam. So ka and the distinguishing factor pratamam, that also is there, and patantishu jati also is there. Etasu. Karmani would be patantishu. Samyak is abhiyam. Samyak patantishu etasu kaya
Pratamena
pratamena
Sthanena.
prapnuyat. Prapnuyat is vidling. Okay. Then prapno, what is the form? Apnuyat will become ita, iyatam, iran. Right? So what is the ling lakara now? Karmani ling. Aap, no, simple. What is the form? Karmani ling. Huh? Aap, purvaka, sorry, aap is the, then shnu comes, pratyaya is not yat. It becomes yak plus ita, yak plus ita,
Ether.
yeta. Prapniyeta. Yak plus yeta what? Yeta, right? Yeta, yetam, that's what we apply, right? Okay. Shlokam patanti hi balakaha aham ahvayami. So I call the balikaha, the students who read the shloka. So, karmani would be maya.
Ahuyate.
Yes. Ahu dhatu, u plus yak plus te, ahu yante. Because
Ahuyanti. Balikaha.
aham, balikaha is what vibhakti there? Karma. Dvitiya vibhakti in karmani prayoga. Now, therefore, it will become pratama. Pratama vibhakti is patanti, patantyo,
Patantyaha.
patantyaha.
Balikayaha.
Padantyaha.
Patantyaha only, not patantyaha. Patantihi is 2, 3. Nadi, nadyo, nadyah, nadi, madyo, nadihi. Slokam patantihi balikaha. It is 2, 3. Aham is a subject. Aham akhvayami. I call the girls, balika, who are reading the shloka. So in karmani prayaha, aham becomes karta, becomes karta is tritiya, kartar karna yos tritiya. Maya, it is. Then balikaha, karma becomes pratama. Therefore, balikaha ahuyante maya. Right? Okay, next one. So, dash davanti harinim ramaha anusrutavan. Fill in the blanks. Then davanti is there. You have to fill in the blank with appropriate form of davanti.
Dhavantim Harinim.
Dhavantim
Yes.
harinim.
So, harinim, therefore davantim harinim. Ramaha anusrutavan. Karmani would be? You can use tab pratyaya. Anusrutavan.
Ramena Anusruta.
Yes. Ramena anusrutaha. Kaha.
Harini.
Harini, right?
Dhavanti Harini.
Davanti,
Dhavanti
Harini,
Harini.
Ramena Anusruta, right? Srilinga.
Anusruta.
Next one. Trunani, Charantyaha, Denuhu, Gopalaha Rakshati. Gopalaha Karma, which is, Karta, which is Karma here?
Trinani.
Dhenu is
Dhenu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Dhenum, Dhenu, Dhenu. So Dhenu is karma. Okay. And we have qualifier. Qualifier will be Charantyaha is there. Therefore, what is the word?
Charanti.
Yes, exactly. Charantihi, Trinani, like Nadihi. 2, 3. That's the answer for this. Khattari Prayoga. Trinani, Charantihi, Dhenu, Gopalaha, Rakshati. Karmani would be
Gopalena Rakshyate.
yes.
Hmm.
Gopalena Rakshate. Taha.
Charanti Dhenu.
Dhenava.
Dafa Rakshante. Bhagavachanam it is, right? Dhenu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha. Charanti, Charantyo, Charantyaha.
Dhenava.
Gopalena Rakshante. Dash Aganchanti. Okay. Sorry. Dash you have to fill up. Agachanti Pratipadikam is there. Parikshayaha tasyaha bhitihi asti. Agachanti is there. So it become Parikshayaha. What vibhakti Parikshayaha?
Apadan.
Huh? Sorry?
Apadan.
Yes. Vitrarthanam Bhaya Hetu. Panchami, therefore. Therefore, here it become Agachant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agachantyaha Parikshayaha.
yeah.
Tasyaha. What is Tasyaha? Tasyaha, what vibhakti? Shakti.
Shashti.
She has fear of the upcoming exam. Okay. Tasyaha Shashti. Parikshayaha is Panchami. And that's a qualifier, Agachantyaha. That which is the cause of fear will be Apadanam and will take Panchami. Tasyaha is Shashti. For her, right? Shiro Vedanam dash Janayantyaha Bhagavachanam is given. Vartabhyaha saha jugupsate. Saha jugupsate. Gupdatu. Gupdatu in the sense of, hating, disgusting.
Dislike.
Dislike. It will get that
Disgust.
meaning. So it will have that meaning. Jugupsate. Okay, then here. Tell me, what is the bracket? Varta is Srilinga. Vartabhyaha. What vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami only. So therefore here becomes
Janantyaha.
Janayantibhyaha.
Janayant.
Tibhyaha.
Janantyaha.
Janayantibhyaha. Which gana is Janayanti?
Janta.
10th conjugation you have to take. Because Janayanti, Janayantibhyaha Vartabhyaha Saha Jugupsate. Then Karmani would be Shiro Vedanam.
Jugupsyate.
Yes. Tena Jugupsyate. Jugupsyate. The form will be Jugupsyate. Tena Jugupsyate. Vartabhyaha Panchami Ramabhyaha Janayantibhyaha Nadibhyaha. Janayanti 10th conjugation. Jandatu. Jani become Jane, Janaya, Janayat. Which is
Guruji,
there
what's the meaning of that? Sorry.
which one?
Of that sentence, Shirovedanam. Janaya.
The news which causes headache,
Oh.
right? That causes irritation, disgust, hatred, jugupsa for that person.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. दीर्घ वाक्यं लिखन्त्यः ताभिः दोषः कृतः. Simple one. Dirgha vakyam likantyah is that. So what is the right one? Tabihi is that.
लिखन्तिभिः.
Yes. Likantibihi. Dirgha vakyam likantibihi tabihi Chilinga. Doshaha krita, mistake is done. And karmani,
This is कर्म.
this is karmani only. So convert into karta reader.
Taha,
Dirgha, yes.
taha
This becomes taha. Then becomes
कृतवन्त्यः.
likantyah, right?
लिखन्त्यः दीर्घवाक्यं
Dosh.
लिखन्त्यः ताः
Dosham.
दोषं कृतवन्त्यः.
Krita. Kritavati, kritavatyo,
Vatya.
kritavatyaha it is. There is no num for tavatu. Kritavati is a
Yes.
pradipadikam. Kritavati, kritavatyo, kritavatyaha. The num and all is only for shatranta. Whereas
Yes.
tavatu is ugitanta. So that will there it is, there no rule is there. Pullinga only you will have num. Kritavan, kritavanto. Strilinga you will never have. Understand why it is? Because I write kru plus tavatu, right? Tavatu. Then you get Sater on it. Krutavati you get. Krutavati is a pradipadika. You can decline in pullinga. When you decline pullinga, this becomes
One.
this is how does it become? Because it is pullinga, therefore sarvanamastana pratyaya pare krutavan krutavanto krutavantaha. This form shall be there for this in pullinga when sarvanamastana pratyaya follows. The same thing krutavata in Srilinga. Kritavat plus ni pratyaya when you add convert it to Srilinga, you get Kritavati. Now it is Vati. No more Tavatu. This is E now. Therefore Nadi Shabdavat only. So Kritavati, then Kritavatyau, Kritavatyaha. Shatranta is not like that. Shatranta, even when Ni Pratyaya follows, Shatra will take Num. Ahma's rule is there. That is why Likantyaha is there. Likanti Shabda is there. Understand? So this is the difference. I will write that also. Likdhatu, for example, Shatranta. Which Gana is that?
First.
Not first.
Sixth.
What sixth conjugation it is. Lik plus Shatra, then Lik will bring in Gana Vikarna, Lik plus Sha plus Shatra. Nothing happens. You get the Pratipadikam Likat. Right? You get the Pratipadikam Likat. Right? So Likat is a Pratipadikam. You can decline Likat. How do you decline Likat? Likat being Shatranta. Shatra, Ugit. When Saranamasana Pratyaya follows, what will happen to Likat? It becomes Likan, Likantau, Likantaha. Comes, right? Same as Kritavan, Kritavantav, Kritavantaha. Any difference? Same thing. Because Tavatu also Vigitanta. And Shatra also Vigitanta. When Saranamasana Pratyas comes, now the same Shatra in Srilinga, Likata plus Neep. Now Neep Pratyaya follows. Neep Pratyaya follows. There is a rule already we have seen. Neep Pratyaya follows, then Shatra will get Num. Special rule is there. That's why in the Pratipadikam itself, Num will come optionally. And this is for the fourth conjugation. Num is optional. That's sixth conjugation. So Likanti or Likati, two forms are there. Pratipadikam. Understand? What's the difference between the Adadatuka Krita and sarvadhatuka kruta. Think about that. Understand?
Yes.
Next one. Upavishanti mahilayaha manaha shuddham asti. Meaning? Upavishanti.
The
Hmm.
sitting women have a pure heart,
Pure heart. When you become
pure mind.
upavishan. Pure mind. Okay. Upavishan tyaha. षष्ठी विभक्ति मनः शुद्धम अस्ति मनः शुद्धेन भूयते in कर्मणि we can do. Okay, anyway I'm not doing that. Dash नृत्यन्त्यः विद्यार्थीनां शिक्षकः आगतवान्. Meaning is विद्यार्थिनीनां sorry श्रीलिंग विद्यार्थिनां शिक्षकः आगतवान्.
Gatavan.
Then here it will be नदीनां
Nrityanti.
नृत्यन्तीनां
Nam.
विद्यार्थिनां शिक्षकः आगतवान्. Right? Now you can do कर्मणि here. नृत्यन्तीनां षष्ठी विद्यार्थिनीनां शिक्षकेन.
Agata.
In fact, शिक्षकः आगतवान्, शिक्षकः आगतः also we can say. That is also कर्तरि only. Then शिक्षकेन आगतम्. You can say like that. This gatyartha dhatu, therefore gam, I mean gatyartha dhatu ta pratyaya also we did not karta. Agatavan and agataha both are correct. Then shikshakena agatam, where is karma? Karma not there. Therefore bhavi prayoga. Marge dash anujahi kandukam na dadatu. Marge, it will be what? What vibhakti? Dadatu is there. Therefore sampradana. Who is sampradana? Which is sampradana? Anuja, right? Therefore, can you hear me, my voice? Is it clear?
Now we can hear Guruji.
Yeah.
For the last few minutes we couldn't.
Okay. Marge kridantyai anujayi kandukam na dadatu. Anuja is what karaka? Padana. She is the one who receives what? Kanduka, the object. Recipient of the karma is sampradana, right? Now, same thing we can convert it to karmani. Marge kridante anujayi kandukam. You can take kandukam to be kandukam or kandukaha also, it's fine. Okay. Kandukam na. What is the form? Karmani. Shan, lot. Diyatam.
Diyatam.
Da will become E. Then yak plus tam. Tam is a pratyaya. Tam itam antam. Diyatam. Right? Swagrham gacchantyaha, which in bracket. Prativeshinibhyaha mata kunkum dattavati. Prativeshini is neighbor. Okay. Prativesha is neighbor. Swagrham, then what will come? Gacchantyaha will become. What vibhakti is prativeshinibhyaha? Chaturthi. Yes or no? Dadatu is there, sampradana only. Therefore, here gacchantyaha will become
Gacchantibhyaha.
Gacchantibhyaha. Prativeshinibhyaha mata kumkumam dattavati. Karmani it will be
Matra kumkumam dattam.
matra kumkumam Yes. Tattam. It's a nice word, nice sentence. Asatyam katayanti tasyaha. So you have all the Srilingas. Napumsakalinga also will come. It's a practice. Asatyam katayanti tasya mama vishwasa nasti. Mama vishwasa tasyam nasti. Kidrishi sa.
Asatyam Patayan.
Asatyam.
Asatyam. Okay, then katayanti becomes
Tasyam.
Vishaya Saptami it is. Asatyam katayantyam tasyam, right? Satyam. Tasyam. Mama vishwasaha nasti. Mama vishwasaha na bhuyate. You can say. Vishwasena na bhuyate. Patam smarantyah tasu bhumika buddhimati. Buddhimati, she is intelligent. Bhumika. The name of the person. Bhumika, not introduction. No? Patam smaran.
Smarantyam.
What will come?
Smarantyam.
Smarantishu, right? Saptami Bhagavachanam. Bhumika is intelligent buddhi mati. Adhyapika uttaram.
Smarantyasu.
Smarantishu only, right? Patam smarantishu only. The next one. Adhyapika uttaram dash vidyarthinihi prishtavati. Vidyarthinihi, what vibhakti? 2, 3. Karma. Therefore, janantyaha will become
Janantim vidyarthini.
janantihi. Bhagavachanam, right? Oh, sorry, num will come. Okay, that's another question. Yes. Not jananti. This is nyadatu. 9th conjugation. Only for 1,
Janati.
4, 6, 10. So janatihi. Okay, please note. Adhyapika uttaram janatihi vidyarthinihi prishtavati. It is nyadatu, 9th conjugation, no num. Only 1, 4, 6, 10, only num will come. Strilinga. And 4th conjugation optional. Now, karmani would be Adhyapika uttaram. What will?
Adhyapikena.
Adhyapikaya.
Adhyapikaya.
Sorry.
Uttaram is a karma for Nyadatu, that is janatihi. So therefore, what will happen?
It won't change.
It will change.
1 second.
Vidyarthinihi is karma. It becomes vidyarthinyaha. Therefore, it becomes janatyaha. Adhyapikaya uttaram janatyaha. Vidyarthinyaha. What?
Prish.
What will come?
Prishtavatya.
Huh?
Prishtavatya.
No. We are not, we are doing karmani, okay? Karta in Tritiya. Karma is in Pratama. In keeping with karma, the vibhakti has to be. Prishtam can be. Janatyaha is Nadi Natyaha. Vidyarthinyaha. Right? Vidyarthinyaha. Therefore,
Prishtaha.
very good. That's what it is. Right? Prishtaha. Asked. Who were asked? Female students who knows the answer were asked by the teacher, right? Prishtavatyaha will not come. Prishtavatyaha, if you say, then as the students asking the question, but here the teacher asks the question. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. कार्यं कुर्वत्यः कर्मकरेषु भवत्यः कोपः is not proper, अनुचितः. So here what will come? It the conjugation, no known business here. Therefore,
kurvati.
kurvatishu, right?
Hmm.
कार्यं कुर्वतीषु कर्मकरेषु भवत्यः कोपः अनुचितः. I'm not doing karmani. It will be like this. The sentence, the karmani, it will not look nice also. Uyate, yate, something will come. Vartam shunvatyah karyakartribihi santoshah anubhutah.
Hmm. तीभिः शृण्वतीभिः कार्यकर्तृभिः
Shrinvatibihi.
शृण्वतीभिः.
Here also num will not come,
Not come.
even though first conjugation dhatu, but it is taking shnu, fifth conjugation pratyaya. Bhavikara. Therefore, shrinvatibihi. Vartam shunvatibihi karyakartribihi santosha anubhutah. This we can do karmani. Anubhutah is there, therefore becomes tell me.
That is already karmani. We have to
Yeah, I
make
mean
it kartari.
kartari. Like, okay. Shunvatibihi will become
शृण्वत्यः
yes, and karyakartribihi becomes
कार्यकर्तृभ्यः.
yes.
Yeah.
So E will be replaced by karya kartryah.
कर्तृभ्यः.
Adinadyo nadyah. By they experienced santosham anubhuta.
अनुभूतं.
No.
Sorry, अनुभूतं.
Tyaha. That is anubhutavati. Anubhutavatyaha. That's correct. Okay. Okay, that's simple. Quickly we can do. Shishyam pushpam manayati guru namaskaroti. Join this. Vaishatranta. Pushpam.
आनयन् शिष्यः गुरुन् नमस्करोति.
Pushpan anayan shishyaha guru namaskaroti. Simple. Similarly, Swami ashram pashyati anandam anubhavati. Becomes
आश्रमं पश्यन् स्वामी आनन्दम्
yes. That's correct. Bharavahaha bharam bhaganti dhanam sampadayati.
वहन्त्यः
Vahantya. Vahanto vahantaha. Bharavagaha
धनं सम्पादयन्ति.
earn money. Vidyarthi gacchati. Acharyam tam acharyam drishtava. Vidyarthi gacchati.
आचार्यं तं दृष्टवान्.
Yeah. Tam acharyam drishtana. That's how you have to take it. Okay, it's understood. Gachan. Vidyarthi tam acharyam. That acharya is sa. That is the meaning. Drishtavan, right? Gachan vidyarthi. Vidyarthi pullinga. Pushpani udyane vikasanti. Balaha tani pashyanti.
बालाः
Udyane, not udyante. Udyane. Udyane
Push. Vikasan. Vikasan. Vikasantah.
Why vikasantah?
Sorry,
No.
Vikasanti.
Pushpani is Napumsakalinga. So now here Napumsakalinga starts.
Okay.
Vikasata, Vikasanti.
Vikasanti.
Yes. Buddhyane Vikasanti Pushpani. Balaha
Pashyan.
Pashyanti. Can make like that. So here Vikasanti is Tatama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Sorry, yeah. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Tatama also same only. You decline like Jagat Shabda, Jagat Jagati, Jaganti, right? And Bhagavachanam, you have only one form. Whereas for Dvivachanam, this is fourth conjugation. So fourth conjugation, what is the chart you have? See the chart. What does it say? Fourth conjugation, it would be fourth conjugation, that it will have num and 1, 2, the num will be what?
Mandatory, I remember. I think so.
No, in 1, 3, it is mandatory. Right?
Okay.
In 1, 3, I think it is mandatory. 1, 2, it is optional. Anyway, we are doing 1, 3 only here. I'm just saying. Okay. Only for the Abhyasta, only we have optional num for even Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. That is just and just 1, 3 and 2, 3. Anyway. Prakoshte Shishuhu Roditi Mata Shrutavati. How do you connect this? Child cries in the room. Mata Shrutavati.
Prakoshte Ruditam Shishum.
Yeah. Roditi, you have to convert into
Shatranta.
What is the dhatu?
Ruddhata.
Ruddhata. Which conjugation? Second conjugation it is. Okay. So therefore, second conjugation, what will happen? Rudan. Same thing. Rudan in Pullinga. Like patantau patantaha. Rudan, rudantau, rudantaha. Rudantam, rudantau, rudataha. Same thing. Right? Yes or no? In Pullinga, we don't have any problem. Num will come for all, right? And Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follow the Shatranta, num will come. Only for Abhyasta, num will not come. This is not Abhyasta. Therefore, just closing your eye and just say Rudantam, Shishum, right? Shishum, I put it before. Rudantam, Shishum, Rakoshte, Mata, Utavati. That's it. Simple. Understand?
Yeah.
Next one. Balaha Vidyalayam Gacchati. Etat Pustakam Patitavyam. It has no connection here. Anyway. You have to, okay, anyway, you have to connect it. You have to make connection. Connect such a way you're making connection. How do you make connection?
And we say Gachata Balena.
Very good.
Etat Pustakam Patitavyam.
Vidyalayam Gachata Balena Etat Pustakam. Then only it will make sense. You have to connect like that only. Patitavyam, right? It's good. Yes, that's correct. The next one. Mumukshu Jnana Briksham Yachayati. Guruhu Prasannaha Abhavat. This also you have to connect properly. Tritiya only, what else? That's why the exercises. Guru is happy due to whatever it is. right?
Hmm.
Mumukshuhu, yeah, sorry, Jnana Bhiksham, complete.
Yachata.
Yachati is there, therefore it becomes Yachata,
Yachata.
Mumukshuna, right? Guruhu kim abhavat Guruhu? Guruhu prasannaha abhavat. Understand? Jnana Bhiksha, Yachata, Mumukshuna, Guruhu prasannaha. So my Chaturthi and I think will come. That also is there. Janaha videsham gantum icchanti parishramam karaniyam. Here also, Tritiya.
Ye janaha videsham gantum
Not ye and are not
icchanti.
required. Videsham gantum,
Jan.
videsham gantum ichchata,
Icchan.
or
Iccata
ichchadbihi,
janaihi.
ichchadbihi janaihi. Kim karaniyam?
Parishram karaniyam.
Parishramam karaniyam. Do you understand? All
Yes.
of you.
Guruji, can you explain why it is Tritiya here?
You are connecting. How do you connect otherwise? Effort should be
Can we
made.
check?
People like to go to foreign country. So how do you connect?
To make
By
effort.
Shatranta.
Okay.
So therefore we make like that. By the people who like to go to the forest, to the foreign country, effort should be made.
Okay. Okay.
Like that. Any other correction is possible. Just that's why make Tritiya. Acharya Shishyaya Upadesham Ichchati Dharmaha Acharaniyaha. Yes.
Shishyaya.
You have to make
For
connection
the
your
purpose
choice.
of dharma, dharma acharana, acharya teaches the shishya.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Dharmam acharaniyam. Iti updesham acharyah yachate.
So where is Shatranta? There is no Shatranta, right?
There's no Shatranta.
Yeah, that's how it will, I think we can join. Acharya Shishyaya Upadesham Ichchati Dharmanaha Acharaniyaha. We have to otherwise supply. Like Shishyaya Upadesham Yachan Acharyaha Uktavan. I'm just adding one more word. Dharmaha Acharaniyaha iti. You want to make like that. Understand? This is possible. Right? But just to somewhat unconnection is there. No connection. So if you want to make connection, you have to supply like this. You have to do like this. It's okay. So we can do. No problem with that. Shatranta also is there. I'm supplying one more words. It happened like that. Yeah, please do. Next one. Bhikshukaha annam
yachati.
Grihini rotikam.
Annam yachan bhikshukena. Gruhini rotikam yachate.
Grihini rotikam yachati, that will remain. That will not undergo change. Here what will happen? Annam.
Annam yachata bhikshukaya.
Not yachan. Yachan is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Grihini gives roti to him. Then tell me. What is the
Bhikshukaya?
Very good. That's what I expected. It should be Chaturthi Vibhakti because Yachati is Rotika goes to whom? Bhikshukaya. Bhikshukaya is Sampradana Karaka. Therefore, here become Yacha Te. This is correct. This is how you have to think. It's good. Don't make it Dvitiya and all. Pratama is ruled out. Yachan will not welcome. Yachan bhikshukah. That become yachate bhikshukaya. Now you can see all other cases of Shatranta also coming. Right? Why we say yachate bhikshukaya? Yachati is rotika, the karma goes to whom? Saha sampradanam. Karmana yama vipreti sa sampradanam. Therefore, Chaturthi. Similarly, here also. Mukshu jnana bhiksham yachati. Acharya padesham dadati. Same, dadati, yachati, same. What will happen here? Jnana bhiksham. Jnana bhiksham what? Can you hear me? Hello? Is it all right?
Yes. Yachate mumukshu.
Yachate is correct. Then
Chaturthi of mumukshu.
Guru Shabda, Gurave, Namaha,
Mumukshave.
Mumukshave. Guru Shabda, you should know. Acharyaha Padesham Dadati. Right? Ramaha Spardayam Jayam
Guruji,
Prapnot.
Guruji,
Yes.
why we cannot use Yachan Mumukshu as given in the sentence? Do we need to change?
Yachan Mumukshu Pratama Vibhakti. Acharyaha also Pratama Vibhakti. Yachan Mumukshu Dadati or Acharyaha Dadati? Yachan Mumukshu is Pratama Vibhakti. Is a Karta there? What Karka is that?
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So, how can we have two Karta? So, that Karaka, what Karta should be found out. Okay. Then next one also same thing. Mantri Paritoshikam Dattavan. He gave a prize, award. Ramaga Spardayam Jayam Prapnoti. Now, how will you do this? Spardayam Saptami. That nothing will happen. Spardayam. Then Jayam is karma. Then
So Spardham Parishu. Prapnu.
No Prapnu. Ramaya is correct. And qualifier is Shatranta. Therefore, Prap. Tell me.
Prapnubate.
Very good. Prapnubate. Remember, Patan Shabda, Patate, Patadbyam, Patadbyaha. Prapnubate to the one who has gained the victory in the sports, in the competition, with the drama. To him, the Mantri gave the award. Now, Saptami. Vanam Chartsu Teshu Vayam Gramam Gavishyamaha. You can do Karmani. But what is the meaning of this first? Vanam Chartsu Teshu, among the people who move in the forest, we go to the village. We will go to the village. Vanam Charatsu Teshu, that will mean Vanam Charatsu Teshu. Nothing will happen. Then Vayam Gramam Gamishyama will become Asmabihi Gramaha Gamishyante. Karmani. Asan api Raja Sevakam Atharayata. Okay. Yes. Asan Raja. While laughing, also, Raja beats the Sevaka servant. Karmani.
Rajan Tritiya.
Yes.
Rajana.
No, Rajna, not Rajana. Rajan Sabda should be known.
Rajna.
Then Asan will become
Rajna.
Asata, Patata. Not asanti.
Sata.
Sata.
Asata, Rajna, qualifier to Rajna, right? Raja. Then first
Sevaka.
Kriyapadam. First you addition the Kriyapadam. Sevakaha
Sivikaha.
Athadya Tha. Simple. Sevaka was beaten by the laughing Raja. I mean, by the Raja who is laughing. No?
Yeah, Tadita.
Tadita?
Taditaha, Sevakaha.
You can say Taditaha if you want to use Nishta Pratyaya Taditaha. And here it will become Tadita Van. That is equivalent. Sundaranam Pakshinam Geetam Shunvati Sita Sukhavati Bhavati. Sukhavati means Matu Pratyaya. Tasya Baba, she is happy. Yes. This is simple. Translation, I think it's easy. Sundaranam Pakshinam Geetam Shunvati Sita Sukhavati Bhavati means Santosham Prapnavati. That's Sukhavati. You can convert this into Karmani then. First take Karta and Kriya. Don't start from left to right.
Karta is Sita Sukhavati.
Sitaya will become, Sukhavati will become, Bhavati is a Bhavati will become
Bhuyate.
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 Bhavati is a Bhuyate. Then Karta will become Tritiya, Sukhavati, Sukhavatya, Nadya. And Sukhavati is Sita, Sukhavati, Bhavati. Sitaya, Sukhavatya, Bhuyate. And Sita is Shunvati. This also will become?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. So Sundaranam Pakshinam Geetam Shunvatya Sitaya Sukhavatya Bhuyate. Doesn't look like in Karmani, but this is how Karmani would be. Huh?
Geetam is Napunsaka.
Geetam, that will not change. That is karma only. Don't touch that.
Okay.
Whatever may be the linga, doesn't matter. Geetam is Napunsaka linga, yes. But it is karma for Shrudhatu. Tasya Pashyataha Sa Gacchati. What is the meaning?
Seeing him, she went.
Seeing him. Is it karma? Huh?
No, 1 second. No. She went.
She goes, not went.
She goes.
Okay. She goes.
Having seen his
Having seen
his.
After seeing, she
after
goes.
seeing
his.
Seeing him.
No. Think and answer. What is the connection? Tasya is Shashti Bhakti.
Yeah. Pullinga. Tasya Pashyataha Sa. Seeing.
Ramasya Putraha. What is the meaning?
Ramaputra.
No. I'm not asking you to make a compound. Ramasya Putraha. What is the meaning?
Rama's son.
Son of Rama. Similarly, here also it is Sambandha. Tasya Sa. Is
because
seeing.
she saw.
No. Is seeing. Sa Gacchati. Tasya Pashyataha. Not she sees him. He sees Sa Gacchati.
He sees her go.
Not he is a karta. Sa Gacchati only karta. She goes. In spite of his seeing, she goes. Something like that. His seeing is he, that is he being seeing, she goes. In English, I have to make it difficult. He,
in spite of him seeing, she goes.
That's why I said in spite of, I said. I just added one api. In English, suppose if suppose in spite if you don't want, he being seeing, right? She goes. I don't know whether sentence construction is right in English. That's why I meant in spite of is seeing, she goes. That is the translation. He is not a karma. Okay. While seeing him, she goes. That is wrong. In spite of is seeing, right? That is the meaning. In spite of is seeing her, she goes. Okay. That's the meaning. Now, interesting is it change into karmani. Gachati become gamyate.
Gamyate.
Now you see, does it change here?
No.
It's not karma. If it is karma, it would have become saha. Doesn't change. Going is done by here in spite of his seeing. And that's it. Understand? Understand, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Good sentence, all this. Yanam gachat. Now, napumsakalinga. Yanam gachat. Gachati yanam dhumran tyajati. We know the meaning. What is the meaning? You put gachati before. The main meaning will become clear. Going vehicle leaves
out smoke.
Leaves out smoke. So karmani would be tyajati, not tyajayati. Tyajayati also. Okay, what is tyajayati?
Causing to
Causes, it emits smoke. Causes
to
the
leave.
smoke to come.
Causes
That's why
to
I said
leave.
emits smoke is better.
Mm-hmm.
Tyajidatoho nijanta rupam. Tyaju become tyaji, tyajay, tyajaya, tyajayati. Not just tyajati. Okay. So now karmani would be Duma is pullinga. Dumaha. What is the karmani of nijanta tyajidatu? Here within bracket I write tyaju plus nich will become what? What will happen?
Yes. Tyaji.
Tyaji or tyaji?
One second. Tyaji.
When nich follows, what will happen to tyajidatu? Nich pratyaya follows. What will happen to tyajidatu? Become tya, right? Tyaji, tyajayati. That's a form, right? And it is not in tyajidatu in the first conjugation. Therefore, it is not in shamam ashtanam shani. Otherwise, in mitam rasaha, by that it becomes rasvanda. It's not possible. So I think tyajayati also is wrong. Tyajayati is proper. That's it was correct wrong. So it becomes tyaji. Tyaji now new dhatu, you can add shap and all and it becomes tyajayati. Tyaje, tyajayat, tyajayati, tyajayata, tyajayanti. Okay. Now karmani would be what? Tyaji dhatu, then when you add yak plus te,
Tyajyate.
E will go away. So you will have tyaj, te, dhumraha tyajate. By what? Gachata. Gachata yanena, right? That's how it becomes. Understand? Okay, I think we'll stop here. Shall we have your class or another class on Thursday evening? Maybe 8:30?
Yes.
Or 8 o'clock, whatever time is convenient for you. We can meet this week. What about others? 8?
I don't think
Yes, 8
Yes.
is better.
evening's a bit difficult for me.
Evening is a bit difficult. Morning is not, time is not there for me. Sunday, no class, not there. That
Okay,
is
I'll
why
try to
Sunday you
adjust.
said difficult. We can have on weekdays.
Okay, I'll try to adjust.
So evening, you have to, morning is ruled out. All the classes are there in the morning. So evening, 8 or 8:30.
Okay.
8:30 Thursdays is fine.
8:30 or 8?
8:30, Guruji.
8.
Okay.
Okay.
8 or 8:30, whatever. You tell me which one. Whatever. 8 o'clock we'll meet.
8 would be better
Yeah,
for
okay.
me, but
Hmm.
others can.
Say, okay. 8 o'clock, I think it would be all right. By the time I think dinner and
Dinner
all will
will
be
be
over.
over.
Hmm. So
Yeah.
8 o'clock we will meet Thursday. Okay.
Okay.
We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad. Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawadalu,
Guruji,
Guruji.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Dhanyavadaha.
Guruji, can you send this document?
Sure.